Hi, I'm Marc-André Pichette, and I'm here today at ABB's Campus Montreal facility. Opened in 2017, this state-of-the-art building is the center point of ABB's operations in Canada. The Center of Excellence was purpose-built down to the smallest details, and of course, that includes the safety of its visitors. That's where emergency lighting, or EML, factors in. Positioned throughout the building, EML is used in case of emergencies that require rapid evacuation. Let's look into ABB's Emergi-Lite line of emergency lighting products. Modern safety and building codes across the world require building owners and landlords to equip their facilities with EML. That means every commercial building around me right now has some form of emergency lighting in place, and in the event of a fire, power outage, or a building failure, these products help save lives. I'm meeting with Danny Cote, Director of Operations at ABB's Hymus facility, where EML products are designed and manufactured. Hi Danny, thanks for having me here.
Welcome, Marc-André, to our Emergency Lite facility.
Danny, can you tell me more about the products you produce here?
Emergi-Lite was founded in 1968 as a small local business and has since grown to become one of Canada's most reliable names in emergency lighting. The Hymus facility has 275 team members, and we have over 70 emergency lighting product lines sold, from halogen to fluorescent and incandescent to LED. Our state-of-the-art facility has grown from creating your basic exit sign to very sophisticated Nexus Pro line of products. Enough talking, let's head inside and take a look at how our products are manufactured.
Sure, let's go. Isabelle Tremblay is production manager for this facility. She's outfitting me with an anti-static lab coat and safety glasses. The lab coat helps discharge static to protect the sensitive electronic parts we will be in contact with. Today we're looking at the Nexus Pro Premier Series version of the famous exit sign we all know. This version of the sign has two separate printed circuit boards, or PCBs. The large primary PCB placed at the bottom controls the functionality of the unit, while the small PCB allows the sign to be monitored and managed remotely by ABB's Nexus Pro monitoring system. Manufacturing of the unit's Nexus Pro board begins here, where surface mount components are placed on pre-printed circuit boards. These incredibly small components are picked from rolls and placed in precise locations on the PCB by this state-of-the-art machine. The machine has the ability to place up to 35,000 parts per hour. The board then travels through an oven that heats the solder paste to the melting point so that it secures the components in place. Each board then gets inspected to identify potential defects and ensure that components are properly installed. Once the circuit board passes inspection, it goes to a second machine for further handling. This machine uses a technique called through-hole soldering to install components onto the board. Much like the other one, it's also very fast and can install upwards of 26,000 components per hour. By this point in the process, 95% of the components have been installed through the machine automation. The remaining components are installed by hand before the primary PCB goes through a wave soldering tunnel where the bottom of the card travels through a bath of liquid solder to secure the connections on the underside of the card. After one last visual inspection, the primary circuit board and the Nexus Pro circuit board move on to the final testing and installation in the unit. The other side of the facility is where the final product assembly takes place. The two printed circuit boards are installed in the plastic housing of the sign and are connected together. A power supply and battery backup are then added to the inner components. Little known fact, the plastic housing is manufactured nearby at ABB's Pointe Claire facility, which specializes in plastic injection molding. The iconic moret, produced at the same location, is also used to connect wires within each unit. Once it's all wired together, the unit is powered up for a final quality control and to test Nexus Pro's connectivity capabilities. Then the top cover is put in place and the exit sign is boxed, ready to hand out to the customer. From its humble beginnings, ABB's Emergi-Lite brand has now grown into a market leader in its field. Its Canadian heritage is solid thanks to being composed of up to 70% Canadian components and being 100% assembled in Quebec. But more importantly, Emergi-Lite brings people peace of mind by proudly manufacturing innovative electrical safety solutions customers can trust. See you soon.